Okay, Kumaragupta. Time period is 415, 455 CE. Adopted the title of Shakraditya. SHAKRADITYA. यार थोड़ी देर AC बंद कर दो यार, ठंडा लग रहा है. Adopted the title of Shakraditya and Mahindraditya. Yes, he was a surgeon. So they have asked about Shushut Samhita also. And performed Ashwamedh sacrifice. What is Ashwamedh sacrifice? Next, Liko founded the Nalanda University. Where is Nalanda University? Patna. He was a worshipper of Lord Kartikeya. Kartikeya कौन है? Son of Shiva. During the last years of his reign, peace was disturbed on the northwest frontier. Peace was disturbed due to invasion of Huns, Huns or Hunas. From northeast part, from where Hunas invaded. Hunas or Huns invaded here. These people negated this part here. These people are very much, because this is high producing area, no? Taxes are more. Though we had, at this point of time, we had good relations, but external trade was not taking place. Internal trade was very much going on. Okay? Which ultimately led to the decline also. Okay? Of Central Asia. Na? Hunas are from Central Asia. Okay? Okay. Since UPSC is asking this question, the first attack during his reign, the first attack, whose attack? Hun attack was repulsed by Prince Skandagupta. Repulsed by King Skandagupta. There was a question. In UPSC, when Mongols attacked Delhi Sultanate, who was the ruler? UPSC ने पूछा हुआ. क्या पूछा? When Mongols entered the northwest frontier first time, who was the ruler? They have given Alauddin and stuff. We'll be discussing those things because what is the problem you guys are having? Understanding the facts. Because you have not read it thoroughly. Even if you have read it, you have not revised it. ये तो problem आ रहा है. In general, what is the problem of people? You think why don't they like ancient and medieval? Why do they like modern more than ancient and medieval?
Mostly people like compared to ancient. Modern history became like these are very narrative. Modern history, this happened and all of this happened. So like, and the modern history, the time is the concept of nation has been invited. Even now we are that. But ancient history में तो हमको सिर्फ राजा आया वहाँ भी आया ये करना वो तो हमको लगता है कि ठीक है इसको राजा आया ये किया वो किया हमको we reading this kind of mindset. I feel that this is the main difference. We involve in modern history. शादी किया पढ़ाया उसके बाद बेटा आया तो इनको मार दिया उसके बाद दियो भी आया जाने पर वे so because these are contemporary we are seeing this thing really this is so we feel okay what is it okay we can remember nature is to see India pronunciation Sanskrit थोड़ा I think like even the ancient history is different but things we need to remember more in ancient history as compared मॉडर्न को एक स्टोरी बेस कर रहा है, एंशिएंट में बीच में तो कुछ ना कुछ हाथ आ जाता है.
Yeah, I get it. I get it. Yeah, yeah. Abraham Lodi versus Babur. No. Iltutmish, he's saying. Iltutmish was there, but yeah, it's the past year paper I'm talking about. Yet, what else is the problem? First is you said facts, typical names, chronology. ये तो problem है. Facts are the problem. Names are the problem. Chronology are the problem. And somewhere or the other, storing is not connected. What else? Too many facts. You're getting perfect. Yeah. So guys, as far as chronology is concerned, first thing what I tell you is time, contemporaries. ये प्रॉब्लम तो सॉल्व हो रहा है मेरे साथ. तुम्हें समझ में आ रहा है ना कि गुप्ता से पहले क्या था? क्या था गुप्ता से पहले? कुशानास, शाकास. ग्रीक. उससे पहले कौन थे? No. Before Guptas, we had Greek room. Before that, we had Mauryas. उससे पहले कौन थे? जैन भी थे. उसके पहले कौन थे? जनपदास भी थे. उससे पहले कौन थे? Indus Valley civilization. You getting my point? So we are moving chronologically. If you थोड़ा सा भी तुम लोग दिमाग लगाओगे ना, प्रॉब्लम क्या है ना स्टूडेंट्स का, स्टूडेंट्स स्टोरी के माध्यम से समझना नहीं चाह रहे. जैसे मैंने आपको मिलिंद पन्नों की स्टोरी समझाई. Now you would understand that what is the story. मैंने आपको परिशिष्ट पर्वन की स्टोरी बताई कि कैसे वो साउथ इंडिया गया, और मैंने आपको श्वेतांबर और दिगंबर का बताया. क्या बताया? Bhadrabahu moved to south. That's how we define. Okay, and Heenyan, Mahayan कैसे define हुए? Who? हाँ.
Mahayan, see, sir, actually the thing is, India is the oldest Buddhist tradition, like teaching chicken. Like India में क्या होता है कि जो बुद्धा जो actually the core philosophy of the Buddhism is in India. Like they don't encourage idol worship, they don't believe in God, and they believe in Dharma, like this. And Mahayan में क्या होता है कि like during the like they are seeing the decline of Buddhism. So they are seeing like what is the reason behind this. So they are seeing like temples, architecture, and God, idealism. This has been started during that time. So start okay, let's shift our philosophy. Let's be core value to exactly. We will shift to idol worship. Why? Because people are now towards like idol worship. This is the like as people to get connected, we need to include something reforms in our culture, religion. So the Mahayana shift okay, बोला कि तो like we are bodhisattvas. We are telling that new new philosophy आ गया है Mahayana. So अब से like we will worship Buddha's relics. Like idol worship करेंगे ऐसे. Now they are doing.
Yeah, Pooja is saying something. Mahayana consider Buddha as God, etc. Yes, true. So, with every continuity and change, that's what I was focusing on. That Hinduism was very much prevalent in when Buddhism came into being. Then gradually what happened was Hinduism started reinventing itself. How? You saw it. In this time period, we do see that Hindu texts or Sanskrit texts are coming, and new gods are also coming. These are the new gods. Who is this Varaha? He's kind of a tribal deity, we can say that. So we have people, Hinduism started reinventing itself. We have certain cults coming up. Vaishnava cult, Shaiva cult. These are part of Bhakti. Durga. Ab, you tell me, the tribals also associate with them? Tribals are who? The ST, if I may use the term. Vishnu. Vishnu is said to be OBC. OBC to be Yadavas. So OBC or the people who are scheduled caste are also associating with Vishnu. So there we have the same thing which was happening with Buddhism. Buddhism targeted which section of people? Vaishyas, Shudras, tribals, Chandalas, and stuff. But now, this cult of Varaha, this cult of Shiva, this cult of Durga are also taking that back. So there is an inherent tussle between, and mind you, Vakatakas को ने किसको प्रमोट किया? अजंता को. अजंता तो बुद्धिस्ट caves है. And Vakatakas are Brahmins. There is a political inclination also because they will not afford to disrespect those Buddhist monks. Word of mouth तो चाहिए ना भाई. But at the same time, Hinduism is also reinventing itself. Look at this. Look at these architectures. These are part of Nagara form of architecture. You're getting my point? Okay. Now please write Skandagupta. The time period is 455 to 467 AD. 455 to faced and repulsed the Hun successfully. Faced and repulsed. Repulsed का मतलब क्या होता है? अभी इतना बचा हुआ ना गुप्ता? नहीं अभी तो बहुत बचा है यार, अभी तो आधा भी नहीं हुआ. चलो एक क्वेश्चन तो कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद देखते हैं. इसको लिख लो, क्या करते हैं. सक्सेसफुली लिख दिया. जूनागढ़ और गिरनार इंस्क्रिप्शन of his reign tells that his governor Pranadatta Junagadh Junagars और गिरनार, जूनागढ़ गिरनार एक ही है. इंस्क्रिप्शन of his reign tells that his governor Pranadatta, प्राण मतलब प्राण, Pranatta got the Sudarshan Lake repaired and adopted the title Vikramaditya. And adopted it. तो ये दो आदमी एक टाइटल नहीं ले सकते क्या? दोनों ले सकते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. चंद्रगुप्त विक्रमादित्य ने भी लिया और स्कंदगुप्त ने भी विक्रमादित्य लिया, लेकिन चंद्रगुप्त विक्रमादित्य is known more. Why? Because of Kalidasa, because of all those things. That brings me to the question. ये क्वेश्चन आया भाई. अब तुमको जितनी चीजें पता है मुझे बताओ इनके बारे में. वारामीरा के बारे में बताया था? नहीं बताया? लिखवाया है. गुड, वेरी गुड. बुद्ध को आ गया ज्ञान हो गया बुद्ध को. सो बी का 3 हो गया तो एलिमिनेट कर दूं. चरक का क्या बताया था मैंने? विशाख दत्त. अच्छा, सी का तो 1 हो गया. सी का 1 कहां पर है? तो एलिमिनेट तो ऐसे हो गया. आपको कम चीजें भी पता है तो भी आपने एलिमिनेट कर दिया. एंड इट्स अ टफ क्वेश्चन. तो क्या हुआ? पहले का विशाख दत्त ने क्या ड्रामा लिखा था? क्या ड्रामा लिखा है? देवी चारुगुप्तम. उसको भी पढ़ेंगे हम. यू सी these type of question are being asked. What I'm trying to say is और कोई क्वेश्चन है तुम्हारे बाद उसका? ओके, चलो इसको करने की कोशिश करते हैं, फिर बाकी और तो करेंगे. ओके, गुप्ताज ने क्या बनाया? चंदेला इस बात के हैं. नहीं कर पाओगे अभी, इसके बाद ही कर पाएंगे इसको. ये तो कर सकते हो. वारामीरा ने क्या लिखा है? नहीं, ये क्वेश्चन इलाहाबाद पिला इंस्क्रिप्शन क्वेश्चन का पहला बट हियर वी विल बी कंसर्न्ड विद समुद्रगुप्ता, ठीक है ना? ये क्वेश्चन इस टाइप दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन आप ही ना आस्क. There are only two known examples of cave paintings in Gupta period. ठीक है. You're getting what type of questions? So it's very you see इसको जल्दी करवा सकता हूं मैं, लेकिन मैं ये सोच रहा हूँ इसको टाइम लेके करवाया जाए. This question number 16. अजंता कर लिया ना क्वेश्चन? It's अजंता. What's correct है? इसके नेचर में नहीं आए अभी तक हम लोग. You are getting the point I'm trying to make. इस तरह के क्वेश्चन पूछे जा रहे हैं जो मैंने लिखवाया है. So you are not supposed to let loose all those things. कितने क्वेश्चन है? More than 20 क्वेश्चन है. कोई क्वेश्चन तो मैंने डाले ही नहीं. This is पदमपाली, guys. ठीक है. लोटस है नहीं? अजंता. ठीक है. ओके. डिक्लाइन ऑफ गुप्ताज. अभी तो पंच सिद्धांत का लिखवाना है, सब कुछ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन किया ही नहीं. आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग द डिक्लाइन. हूणा इन्वेजन अभी आधा भी नहीं हुआ गाइस. हूणा इन्वेजन. सेकंड पॉइंट, राइज ऑफ फ्यूडेटरीज. तुम्हारा आंसर तुम्हें खुद मिल गया. द गुप्ता पावर was severely curbed. The Gupta power was severely curbed by the rise of feudatories. Full stop. Yeah. True. Ajanta is true. That is not Ashoka Puja. We are talking about, though it was related to this thing also, but the most important Prayag Prashasti or Prayag this thing is associated with Samudragupta, which was written by Harisena, his court poet as well as his minister. Yeah. Yashodhavarman of Malwa, who belonged to Aulikara feudatory family. Aulikara feudatory family successfully challenged the authority of Guptas. Guys, administration, मुद्रा राक्षस, बहुत सारी बुक्स बची हुई है, बट बिफोर वी गो टू दैट, एक हमें जेनरिक आइडिया मिल गया गुप्तास के बारे में. अब थोड़ा डिटेल में जाएंगे, अगली क्लास में भी लेंगे, डोंट वरी, बिकॉज वो क्वेश्चंस करवाने हैं. सो दिस 550 AD onwards, the Gupta rule declines. यहां तक की स्टोरी समझ में आ गई. नाउ, who are the Guptas who are coming after Guptas? These are late Guptas. These are Maukharis. These are Pushyabhutis. These are Chalukyas. These are Pallavas. Chalukyas and Pallavas are separate topics which we'll be dealing with Satavahanas. तुम लोग समझ रहे हो ना? वाकाटका है ना जनता, कलंगा बैंगी, ताम्रलिप्ति. गाइस, जो मैं टिक कर रहा हूं, just draw them again. One is this, second is this, third is this, fourth is this, fifth is this, ये भी, sixth, seventh, eighth. धीरे धीरे करो उसको. I'll be back in a while. Guys, you can take a 5 minutes break. I'll be back in like 4 to 5 minutes.
So we have other classes.
मुझे बग्स दोगा हमको. हाँ, don't worry, I'll finish off by 2. ठीक है? क्योंकि इसके क्वेश्चंस हैं, this like that's why segregated this topic. ये पीछे से नहीं निकल रहा. गले से ना. So, your friends to उसको किसी लड़की को बोलना कि उसको grab it like boy ना, लड़के के हाथ से नहीं हो पाएगा. Until unless you got Gita Babitas. You know Gita Babita? They're like dangal girls, man. Pooja, can you hear me? I hope whatever is being taught is making sense because it's linked to the past year papers directly. Not there's no indirect direction and all because I talk about facts, I talk about stories, I talk about inscriptions, I talk about the syllabus. Okay, she can hear me. Chalo, theek hai. Okay, the decline of Gupta Empire. 10 to 15 minutes I'll take. The decline of Gupta Empire resulted in the emergence of numerous ruling dynasties. Like these, you can see on the prominent among them were Pushyabhutis of Thanesar, Mokharis of Kannauj, Thanesar, Mokharis of Kannauj. Sorry, Mokharis of Kannauj. And Maitrakas of Vallabhi. Vallabhi is where, guys? Maitrakas of Vallabhi. The political scene in peninsular India was no different. The political scene in the peninsular India was no different. The Chalukyas and the Pallavas emerged as strong regional powers. In Deccan and northern Tamil Nadu, respectively. Guys, look at it again. Gupta reign is ended till now. Administration stays. Abhi to administration padna hai, society padni hai. But the point is, as far as political this thing is concerned, this time onwards we see post-Gupta period. Post-Gupta period we have Pushyabhutis of Thanesar, North India, Maukharis of Kannauj in Uttar Pradesh, Maitrakas of Gujarat or Vallabhi, Varmans and Tamralipti is a port. UPSC has asked also. Pallavas, Chalukyas and Vakatikas, late Vakatikas. There's a question in UPSC. देख लिया, लिख लिया? Yeah. Last year का question है 21 हाँ 22. After the decline of Guptas, until the rise of Harshavardhana in early 7th century, which of the following kingdoms were holding power in North India? Pushyabhutis. Okay. 3 किस में नहीं है? हो गया eliminate हो गया. Now we had Maukharis of Kannauj, Maitrakas of Vallabhi. 3, 4, 6 किस में है? What is the point of asking this question by UPSC? And who are the people who are making papers? Some learned person. Before this, I showed you, they asked about Kalidas, they asked about Dhanvantari, they asked about Bilindra. So what are they trying to do? They are just making you uncomfortable. What happened? You read Gupta, we'll ask about decline of Gupta. You read about Hinayan Mahayana, we'll ask about Vajrayana. You read Harappa, we'll ask about Gupta. So they'll make you suffer. You read medieval, we'll ask ancient. You read modern, we'll read, ask modern, medieval or early medieval. So Yadavas, as far as Yadava is concerned, after these two classes, the next class also, we'll be taking care of Yadavas also. It was 11th century when Yadavas came into being. Parmaras of Malwas were also subsequently post Harshvardhana. Magadhas, Guptas were there in Magadhas. You're getting what I'm trying to say? That's the beauty of having maps in your head. भाई ये छप जाना चाहिए तुम्हारे दिमाग में. इससे क्या होगा? The problem, chronology का problem solve हो गया. Understanding, pictures solve हो गया. Stories. ठीक है? Okay. लिखो. The Vakatakas of Deccan. The Vakatakas of Deccan. In peninsular India, Pooja, I hope you can do the question. Huh? In peninsular India, especially in the northern Maharashtra and Vidarbha, the Satavahanas were succeeded by local powers known as Vakatakas. Who played an effective role in the political game of Deccan. In the political game of the Deccan. For more than 2.5 centuries. For more than 2.5 centuries. The Vakatakas, next paragraph, who were Brahmin themselves. The Vakatakas, who were Brahmin themselves, were great champions of Brahminical religion. And performed numerous Vedic sacrifices. They had matrimonial ties with Imperial Guptas. We know that. Vakataka family had matrimonial relations with Imperial Guptas, the Nagas of Padmavati, the Kadambas of Karnataka. That means Kadambas were contemporary. इसमें भी यूपीएससी ने क्वेश्चन पूछा हुआ है. Please underline this also. And Vishnu Kundis of Andhra Pradesh. Vishnu Kundi. Vishnu Kundis of Andhra. Their legacy in terms of public works, and monuments has made significant contributions to Indian culture. The rock-cut Buddhist viharas and chaityas, of Ajanta caves were built under the patronage of Vakataka king Harisen. The best example of Vakataka excellence Vakata excellence in the field of painting in particular. In the field of painting in particular, the painting titled Mahabhinishraman. Mahabhinishraman. K. Mahabhinishraman. Okay, so in the next class, what we'll do is we'll write the kings of Vakatakas. Then we'll write about the administration of both Vakatakas as well as Guptas. We'll talk about Allahabad inscriptions. We'll talk about different names like Kulvapa, Uparikas, Bhuktis, Sanskritic names, typical names, which are UPC, which is asking. We'll talk about the economy, society. Okay, we'll talk about the past year questions as well as we do. Okay, so because this topic, like every second year, 2 or 3 questions are coming. So we are not supposed to leave these because the prelims is around the corner. So we'll have to, like, there's 1.5 or 2 hours we'll take. So these 2 hours plus that 2 hours. Okay. Or what is the problem? ठीक चल रहा है सब कुछ? बढ़िया चल रहा है? अभी what lunch? अच्छा 3 बजे से कौन सी क्लास है? Oh, mapping. Yeah, mapping is very important. Just link modern with the ancient. ठीक है? See, I mean, you write about Karnataka. You read about Karnataka. So Karnataka is also very important. Hampi is important. Bandipura is important. South of Malnad and that is important. There are a lot of historical sites which are important in Karnataka, in Uttar Pradesh, in Bihar, in Madhya Pradesh specifically. So you read that also. This is it for the day. Thank you so much.
Introducing the Prelims Target course and Prelims Test Series at Prodigy IAS. Designed for UPSC Prelims 2026, this comprehensive program offers in-depth classes on history, geography, science and tech, environment, polity and governance, and economy. Stay updated with current affairs and sharpen your skills with our Prelims Test Series consisting of 50 full-length tests covering all subjects along with CSAT. Join Prodigy IAS and stay ahead.